Hi there. So there's one question I got a lot, and it's a question about my left earlobe. Why it's so small? As you can see, my right earlobe is quite huge. My left earlobe is so small because it ripped apart like 3 years ago, and I'm going to tell you the story how I managed this. So actually, 3 years ago, I decided to stretch my earlobes like parallel to each other, and I always had some problems with my left earlobe. I don't know why. Maybe it's some tissue thing, I don't know. So back then, I was young and dumb, and I had no experience, and I just pushed the taper through my earlobe. Yeah. It hurt as fuck, but I just didn't really care for it until it gave a weird noise, or it was really weird. It just was like cracking or something, and I guess this was the moment when my tissue was like ripping apart, and it started to become red and hurt so much. So I stopped stretching and I left the taper in. It was like a spiral thing, it was something like that. And yeah, during the night, I somehow managed to stop my finger, my pointy finger, through pinky finger, through the spiral, somehow like that. And I managed to throw my arm somewhere while I was asleep. Yeah, that's how it basically ripped apart. So I threw my hand like away while I was asleep, and yeah, since my finger was still stuck in that thing, this thing ripped out. And yeah, so I woke up and everything was full of blood, and yeah, and I had to go to the doctors, and it was sewn together, and it cost me about, I don't know, 150 euros. I don't know. You can still see a scar if you look closely. It's somewhere like here. Well, you can't see that, but it's there. And yeah, since then, stretching my earlobe is not fun anymore. I have to stretch it very slow, because every time I stretch a millimeter, it's totally fucked up again. The scar will become red and will open up again. So yeah, and one of the stories, don't stretch too fast.